Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Xinfu. I will give you presentation about remote desk connect and my laptop some problems. My contents about include remote desk connect, and it is a problem. And there's during I studied Windows 10 some issues. First, why I want to choose this topic because I think it is useful future. For example, when I bought this computer, this laptop, I have Windows Office problem. Even though I bought some license, but I can use the Windows Office. So I call Microsoft company. Their support office in India. The technology guy used the remote desk connect fix my computer problem. Especially we do some computer software service. Usually we use this feature to figure out some problem or fix some problem. So I think it's a useful feature. Laptop Remote Desk Connect is a Windows technology that lets us use the one computer to connect with the remote computer in different locations. But my laptop has some problem. My remote desk not show in system properties. If you come, this remote desk will choose, we can choose some options, but my Windows 10 don't have this feature. What's the problem? Our Windows 10 book shows some, if the remote desk section doesn't appear in our system properties, maybe some firewall have some problem. I will show you my firewall maybe some problem, but I'm not sure this is raised to my computer can use the remote desk, the key issue. I think this is my issue. Because I use the home edition versions of Windows doesn't support remote desk. Before we used Windows 7 to connect with the other remote computer. We usually use the professional version. So I think home version doesn't support this feature. During I studied the Windows 10, even though before I used a lot of different version, began Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 2003, 2007, and 2008. Usually, we just use, we don't system to learn. This is my first time to system to learn Windows 10, so I have a lot of problem. Especially I is limited by English, so I will show some my problems. First, before we discuss, we are group talk about presentation systems. Most my teamwork we don't have, where laptop or where computer don't have this. Is common. If the computer is common, is normal, we have this presentation system here, but my laptop, no. this future. The other about I mentioned about firewall. My firewall is this. I want to solve this problem. One time I asked a laptop tutoring. They can't find this problem. How to fix this problem? I think maybe need to pay money. The other future, I think, when I during study, I have some system diagnostic report problem. If you come, maybe this have some context, but my day noticed report is nothing. I don't know what's caused this problem. The other future about the previous pens, I'm interested in this future because we usually get some context about file. One must run some program about, for example, we use the Word. We need to open the Word first. But this feature is very interesting because we don't first to open the Word or the other program, even though they're limited by the Microsoft. So I think how can achieve this? Because, for example, this is Word, this is picture, this is PPT. It's easy can solve the context. I think this feature is very useful. I'm interested in how to achieve this. So right now we learn a lot of features, especially we need to build up, develop some problem, how to fix problems. This is for us is most important skill. This is my opinion. Thank you.